Hello everyone. Today's topic is installation and configuration of open source VPN. To install and configure an open source VPN virtual private network, follow these general steps. First, choose an open source VPN software. These are several popular options available, such as OpenVPN, Soft Ether VPN, WireGuard, and a strong one. Select the one that best fit your requirements. Next, set up a server. You will need a server to host your VPN. This server can be a cloud-based virtual machine, a dedicated physical server, or even a Raspberry Pi depending on your needs. Choose an operating system. Select the operating system that best support your chosen VPN software. Common choice include the Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, or a dedicated VPN focused OS like Pipsins or OpenWRT. Install the VPN software. Follow the installation instruction provided by the VPN software's documentation. Usually this involves adding a software repository and using package managers like apt, yum, or pacman to install the necessary packages. Generate certificates and keys. VPNs typically use certificates and keys for secure communications. You will need to generate these cryptographic files using the VPN software tools. The exact commands will vary depending on the software you have chosen. Configure the VPN server. Open the configuration file of your VPN software and modify it according to your needs. This involves specifying network setting, encryption protocols, certificate paths, and other parameters. The configuration files are usually well documented and contain explanations for each option. Set up firewall rules. Adjust your server's firewall to allow VPN traffic to pass through. This may involve opening specific ports or allow certain protocols. Refer to your VPN software's documentation for the necessary firewall rules. Start the VPN server. Once the configuration is complete, start the VPN server software. This will initiate the VPN service and make it ready to accept client connections. Test the VPN. Connect a client device to your VPN server using a VPN client application. Ensure that you can establish a secure connection and across resources within your private networks. Securely distribute client configurations. Generate client configuration files with the necessary certificates and keys and securely distribute them to your VPN users. Each VPN software has its own way of generating client configuration. So consult the documentation for your chosen software. Remember to regularly update your VPN software and server operating system to patch any security vulnerabilities that may arise. Additionally, it is important to follow best practices for securing your VPN, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication if available. Please note that this is a high-level overview of the installation and configuration process. These are the specific steps and commands may vary depending on the chosen VPN software and operating systems. Always refer to the official documentation of your selected VPN software for detailed instructions. Thank you.